In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an agent in Zendesk. Taking the time to correctly set up your team in Zendesk is crucial for maintaining a well-organized support system. This process not only enables your team to respond efficiently to customer queries, but also ensures that everyone has the appropriate level of access to the tools they need. Let's dive right into the Zendesk Admin Center. Your first stop is to navigate to the People section. Once you're there, you'll want to select Team Members. This section is essential for managing your support staff and keeps everything neatly organized. Here, you get an overview of the current team, and because maintaining this database accurately impacts your operations, it's important to manage it diligently. Once in the Team Members section, you'll see an option that says Add Team Member. In some older versions of the user interface, this might appear as a plus sign with Add User. Regardless of the visual differences, the function is the same, and it is your go-to for bringing new agents on board. Clicking this will open a new window or dialog box prompting you for more details about your new team member. Now, you'll fill in the new agent's name and email. This is foundational for distinguishing them within your system and for communication purposes. It's crucial to double-check the spelling and accuracy of this information before moving on, because errors here could lead to confusion or missed communications down the line. Next up, you'll be asked to specify the user type. Here, you need to select Staff Member. The importance of this step cannot be understated. Setting a user as a staff member ensures they have the right framework to interact with Zendesk's tools. Then, you'll need to set their support role, which includes either agent or administrator. This choice will determine the permissions they have within Zendesk. Typically, you'll choose agent for those who will be handling customer interactions and administrator if they need more advanced access to Zendesk settings and team management. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields and made your selections, you'll click Next or Add to save these changes. This is the final step in integrating your new agent into the Zendesk support system. It's a satisfying moment where all your careful setup translates into operational efficiency. Remember, taking the time to correctly set up each team member ensures everyone can communicate, collaborate, and support customers seamlessly. With these steps completed, your new agent is now ready to hit the ground running and contribute positively to your customer support operations. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up your team in Zendesk.